हेलो एवरीवन। यार मैंने आज फिर नहीं टुडे आई ऑल्सो नॉट करेक्ट हाउ टू pronouncing some words. I don't know why my mind not cooperate with me when I today I am very stuck with reels. Recent when I wake up and continue when I wake up drink a water and continue to I do make a video and uh, upload in YouTube channel upload in a YouTube channel and uh, see that what I pronounce wrong in a book. I note in my copy. I am note in a copy and correcting with the Google helping correcting the more pronunciation. Uh, what they call Google really helped me in this situation. Let's read the book. Tomorrow I promise to myself I read every my mistake. Recent I don't watch a movie also. I only watch a speech. I don't watch movies. Tomorrow I watch movie, but yesterday not watching movie. No, yesterday I watching movie. Yesterday before one day ago. Yep, पहन लीजिए आप।
गर्म हो जाएगी ना।
चलिए बुक पढ़ लेते हैं। अब एक तो मुझे पता भी आई डोंट नो वेयर आई स्टॉपिंग द चैनल
दिए होता था पर तेरा पर ही पर
ठीक है। डोंट शाउटिंग ऑन मी।
ला ला पर
रुक जाएगा
पर ठंडे पर ले
ठीक
2-4 दिन की बात फिर ना पाइए।
गिल्ली पई है यार वो
ना ये ला सेक दोगी गिल्ली पई है परम पर देख रहा हूँ।
हाँ लुक एट द फैक्ट आई एम हेट assumption.
सेक लग जाएगा तो पर
I hate assumption and yet I assume thinking things all the time. When someone does not answer my email, I assume they do not care. When someone apologizing apology, I assume it not genuine. When I have a headache, I assume I'm ill. I know I am not a practical because assumptions are not facts. If you want to think straight, you discard all assumption and only look at a fact. William James said it best in one of his lecture about pragmatism. The pragmatist cleaning पता नहीं क्या है cleans पता नहीं क्लीनिंग है जैसे लाइन होता है लाइन उसके आगे सी लगा क्लीनिंग पता नहीं क्लीनिंग है शायद क्लीनिंग टू फैक्ट एंड कॉन्क्रीटेंस ऑब्जर्व ट्रूथ एट इट्स वर्क इन particular a case and generalize to make things simple. Let's look at two of making a decision. One based on a fact and other based on assumption and fact. Opinion ये पता नहीं क्या लिखा opinion clicks पता नहीं क्या है clicks imagination belief and guesses. A fact है research statistics experiment and tested. Does your product solve a problem or do you assume it does? ये दो गोले बनाए हैं जो हमने पढ़ दिए हैं। इसे ऐसे दिखाओ तो सीधा दिखेगा क्या? नहीं ऐसे भी टेढ़ा ही दिख रहा है। ये दो गोले हैं दूर से। ये सीधा क्यों नहीं दिखता इसमें? ये अब दिखे नहीं चलो छोड़ो। जो मैंने पढ़ा ना ऑप्शन क्ली इमेजिनेशन बिलीव गैसेस ये assumptions है, और fact ये research, statistic, experiment and tested. Does your product solve a problem, or do you assumption it does?
हाँ
Are you able to raise
दिया।
money for your startup? Or do you assumption you will?
लिया
Will you get a raise, or do you assumption your boss will give it to you? It is the sale or done deal, or do you assumption your client will sign? Do people like
ले ले डल्लू
your art,
डल्लू
or
तो रहता है
do you
मिल गया
do you people like your art, or do you assumption I like to avoid assumption as much as can I prefer to look at a fact and then draw conclusion. What if you cannot rely on fact? Well, sometimes you just cannot find fact, or you have to make a quick decision. In those very rare case, I prefer prefer पता नहीं क्या था, भूल गया मुझे. I prefer gut feeling. Whenever you do, never waste your thought on other people's ill informed opinion and guesses. True and untrue. In the previous chapter, we talk about look at the fact, but are fact also the true? The answer is no. Confusing, right? It's just like life. For example, does God exist? I do not know. I have never seen any evidence. Does that mean way you live? Does that mean God is not really? It does not matter what I think. If God has an impact on the way you live, it's a truth for you, no matter. If God has an impact on the way you live, it's true for you, no matter what scientists say. Fred Rich Nietzsche, the Germany philosopher who had a profound impact on Western philosopher, famously said, "There are no facts, only interpretation." Night Nights was a नाइट ही पढ़ते हैं यार, मुझे आगे का पढ़ना नहीं है, कल पढ़ के बताऊंगी. Nights was a man of true self knowledge. Sigmund Freud even said that he had a more. पता नहीं, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मुझे इंग्लिश ही नहीं आएगी. पता नहीं मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस क्या हो गया भरावा. जिस हिसाब से मैं पढ़ रही हूँ मुझे कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा. He had a more pen trade penetrating knowledge himself than any other man who ever lived or was ever like to live. He was a very analytic thinker, especially when it come to his own thought. When Nightingale said that there are no facts, he mean that we as a human being ultimately rely on our interpretation of reality. There's no way to confirm realistic objectively. That does not mean nothing is real, and that what we are all living in a big dream. We just have to realize that facts are not the same thing as the truth. The simple thoughts save you a lot of energy because it mean no one can be right or wrong. Do not bother with convin- convincing people with a different opinion of the truth. It's just not a practical thinking to do. Save your energy for other more useful thing. थैंक यू। आज के लिए हमने 2 पेज पढ़ दिए, 2 की भी 3। समझ कुछ नहीं लगा यार। टाटा बाय बाय, कल मिलते हैं। मीट यू टुमारो, बाय। और कल जो जो मेरी मिस्टेकें होंगी उसको भी मैंने सुधारना है।